So have you ever tried out the world's most powerful facial? So hey you all, welcome to my channel. We're going to be trying, testing, reviewing, talking, and just kind of talking all in detail about this product, which is literally shook the planet, and this has been shaking the planet for the past couple of years, and it continues to have the same momentum. And we're going to be talking about the Aztec Secrets Indian Healing Clay. When you look at the ingredients, it basically has 100% natural calcium bentonite clay, and bentonite clay is typically used in all of these clay masks. It kind of helps to reduce the oils in your skin. It kind of controls your sebum production. It helps to clean your pores and kind of unclog them. And this one basically contains 454 grams and it retails for 1440 rupees. And in my opinion, I think it's at a great cost because 454 grams of product would last you for a very long time. So this isn't going to be first impressions, and I do not believe in first impressions, especially when it comes to skincare. So I like to kind of try my products and kind of just use them for a while and see how it works with my skin, and then come and make a review for you guys. So I've been using this for 3 weeks and I use it around thrice a week, alternative days, and I just wanted to check how it worked. So I use this in the night, like once I complete all of my makeup and everything is literally done. I take off all of my makeup, I wash my skin, and then I sometimes use a little bit of toner, and then I mix this one with the apple cider vinegar in equal parts, and I apply it all over my face and a little bit along my neck. So initially it feels really cool and very comforting, like a clay mask, and probably after the 5 to 6 minute mask, you kind of feel this tingling sensation which happens, and they call that as the pulsating sensation. So it was there in certain areas like my forehead, my nose, and especially in the T-zone, and the rest of the areas I didn't have a lot of that going on, but it kind of gives this really weird pulsating effect, almost like it's doing something on your skin. And that kind of slowly starts to reduce after the 10-minute mark, and after that it slowly starts to dry, and it dries really quickly after that. And it just dries and you really can't stretch your face at that point of time. So after that I just go and I just take it all off. So I'm going to leave a couple of pictures over here for you to understand the transformation. So the first picture is basically me before I started using the clay mask, and the second one is just maybe like yesterday, which I clicked it. So coming to what you're all waiting for, that is the user experience with this product. And I would say that I've been using this for about 3 weeks, and like throughout the first week I didn't really notice a lot of difference, except for the fact that it does keep your pores a lot more cleaner, and it kind of helps to unclog pores, especially if you're someone who uses makeup like literally around the clock. And I do take care of my skin really well, but this does this added extra step at keeping your skin feel a lot more cleaner, and it did avoid extra acne from breaking out, or avoiding any tiny bumps on my forehead or on my cheek area and my chin area. So coming to how this product is different from the other clay masks in the market, the first thing is that it does not really make your skin dry, provided you don't leave it on your skin for like beyond 10 minutes. So with my skin, I kind of leave it for 10 to 15 minutes max, and beyond that it does dry your skin out. So I always maintain it in that time frame. And the second amazing thing about the product is that it helps to diminish, and it helps to kind of make all of your acne marks look less pigmented over time. So I did notice a lot of difference with the first week, but with the second week I started noticing that certain marks were starting to slightly disappear, and they kind of look like they do not really exist. It didn't make it fade away completely, but it was starting to fade away, and by the third week I felt that it had cleared out a lot more. So the next amazing thing that I experienced is that it kind of makes your pores look a little less huger. So it basically shrinks your pores, and it does help with removing a lot of your blackheads. So without any of your peel off masks, which just kind of hurts a lot sometimes, and sometimes they're not even efficient. So I think avoiding all those things, when you use this one on a regular basis, around 2 weeks, and like around 2 to 3 weeks of usage of it, you will start noticing that you barely have any of your blackheads or whiteheads left on your nose and on the chin area, and you just feel like your skin is less bumpy. So I'm not speaking about acne, because acne for me is just hormonal and based on my sleep and what I eat and all those things. But I think the bumps on your skin which comes, that kind of reduces a lot. The skin feels a lot more smoother, it feels a lot more supple, it feels more nourished, it just feels more nourished and more radiant, like as if like as if I just got a facial, you know, it just kind of feels that way. So maybe hence the name, the world's most powerful facial. I'm not too sure about whether it is the world's most powerful facial because I haven't tried out all the facials out of the world, but I would definitely say that this is great compared to a lot of other masks that I've tried till now. So we spoke about all the benefits, and now we're going to mention about a couple of cons. So the first thing is that if you do not remove this mask off completely and properly, so if you're just basically wiping it with a cloth and you do not really rinse your face properly with water and then you don't go ahead with your skincare, one problem is that the clay would still be left on your skin, which can lead to, you know, clogged pores at a later point of time, which is something you've got to be cautious about. The second thing is that if you leave it on for more than like 10 to 15 minutes, it does start to make your skin feel really tight, like sometimes the way clay masks do. So you feel like you really can't stretch your skin, and after you wash it off, it does make your face feel a little extra dry, which is something really not a big fan about, but that is just something which a lot of clay masks do. And when it comes to dry skin, I'm not too sure about how will you handle this product with your skin type. So another thing that I want to mention is that this one does not work just on your face, it also works on your body. So if you really want to like work on, you know, improvising the skin texture in a certain part of your body, and if you just kind of want to work on making the skin become a lot better, I would definitely say that this is a great one to do that. I did try this for a mosquito bite, and usually mosquito bites kind of leave a mark on me, and this worked great for a mosquito bite. And you know, I just had to mix it with a little bit of water and I just applied it on the mosquito bite, and I think my skin felt really good, and I didn't really have any of the scarring which is coming from the mosquito bite, and nor was it itchy. So I think that is quite great, and I really don't know how it works, but the box does mention that it works for insect bite, but I'm not too sure that mosquito is an insect, but I think it works great for it. So when you speak about the formulation and how it goes on your skin, I would say it's extremely soft, like it's very finely milled, and it can be mixed really well with water. And one amazing thing is that when you're actually taking it off with water, you kind of massage it to your skin to, you know, just get it all off because it's dry. So the thing about this is it's so finely milled that when you're actually kind of rubbing and taking it off your face, you don't really feel like it's scratching and exfoliating your face at the same time, which I think was amazing, and I love this product for doing that. All the clay masks, whichever I've tried, every single time I try to remove it, it kind of gives that scratchy effect, which did not happen with this product, which is a great thing. So this is a product which can be used by men as well as women, and I would say that men should definitely try this because they are a little more oily and also they tend to have more blackheads. So I think this is something that they should try, and it would just kind of help to make your skin look a lot better, and it does give you this natural kind of a glow from within. It doesn't leave a layer upon it which makes it look glowy, but it just kind of works in improvising your, you know, your natural skin texture. So I would definitely recommend the Indian Healing Clay, and do let me know your feedback when you try this one out, and do give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye.